You've been told that masturbation after 60 is harmless. But here's the truth. Most men never hear from their doctor. After 60, how you masturbate can either protect your penis and erection or slowly destroy both. Research from Harvard and the Journal of Sexual Medicine shows that more than 65% of older men experience penile sensitivity loss or weaker erections simply because of poor solo habits. Your blood vessels aren't as elastic as they once were, your skin is thinner, and your recovery slower. So the question isn't whether to masturbate, it's how to do it safely. Because at this age, your penis isn't just about pleasure, it's about blood flow, confidence, and your sense of being alive. Before we begin, take a second to comment below. Have you noticed changes in your erections after 60? Do you think masturbation affects your prostate health? Your story might be the one that helps another man speak up. And make sure to subscribe, because no man should face these changes alone. When I first met George, he was a 67-year-old retired engineer, a quiet, disciplined man, healthy diet, morning walks, no smoking. Yet he leaned in and whispered, "Doctor, I think I broke something down there." He wasn't exaggerating. Years of rushed, friction-heavy masturbation had left his penis with tiny micro tears, thinning skin, and fading sensitivity. It's called penile desensitization, a condition that affects more than half of men over 60, according to data from the Journal of Sexual Medicine. I'm Dr. Catherine Rotker, a men's health urologist who's treated thousands of men like George. The myth says masturbation is always harmless, but after 60, your penis, erection quality, and prostate circulation shift dramatically. Testosterone drops, skin loses collagen, and blood vessels stiffen. What felt normal at 30 can quietly cause nerve injury at 65. The truth is, you're not broken. You're just working with a body that needs care, not punishment. And with the right technique, you can protect your erection and prostate while still keeping that spark of life burning strong. The real danger isn't masturbation itself, it's friction without flow. When you use too much pressure or go dry, the delicate lining of your penis takes the hit. Over time, that repeated strain damages the endothelium, the inner wall of your blood vessels. That's the same hidden process that causes erectile dysfunction. The NIH reports that up to 70% of erection problems in men over 60 come not from low testosterone, but from poor nitric oxide production and weak penile blood flow. Then comes cortisol, your stress hormone. Every time you carry guilt, shame, or tension into masturbation, cortisol spikes. It narrows blood vessels, reduces testosterone, and keeps your body in a constant fight-or-flight state. It's not just in your head, it's chemistry working against you. And the third enemy hides in the prostate. When you stimulate without full release, fluid builds up and inflames the gland. Over months, that congestion can trigger prostatitis, burning, discomfort, and weaker urine flow. The truth is, masturbation after 60 isn't the enemy. It's how you do it. Safe, mindful touch keeps your penis, erection, and prostate healthy. Careless repetition breaks them down. The solution isn't to stop, it's to relearn. Your body isn't failing you, it's asking you to handle it differently. Start with warmth. A warm shower or compress before touching yourself increases penile blood flow by about 25%, according to Mayo Clinic research. That warmth softens tissues, boosts nitric oxide, and prevents those tiny micro tears that can dull sensitivity. Then protect the skin that protects your pleasure. Dry friction destroys nerve endings. Use natural lubricants like coconut oil or aloe-based lube. Dermatologic therapy studies show they maintain a healthy pH balance and keep the penile skin from thinning. Slow down your rhythm. Your erection isn't a test of speed, it's a signal of circulation. When you breathe deeply and move slowly, you activate your parasympathetic system, the same system that sustains firm, lasting erections. And always finish completely. Full ejaculation clears the prostate ducts and prevents inflammation. Wash gently afterward with mild soap and lukewarm water. No harsh detergents, ever. When you follow these simple steps, masturbation after 60 becomes therapy, strengthening your erection, protecting your prostate, and keeping your confidence alive. Here's what men report when they follow these habits. By day 7, your morning erections start to feel firmer. The blood flow returns, the tissue feels alive again, and that faint spark of sensitivity begins to reappear. It's your body's first quiet thank you. By day 14, you notice stamina building. You recover faster, and that heavy fatigue after ejaculation starts to fade. Your body begins balancing testosterone and cortisol again. A natural recalibration backed by NIH studies showing that healthy masturbation improves hormonal stability in men over 60. By day 30, everything changes. Erections are stronger, more predictable, and your confidence rises with them. NIH data confirms that regular, safe stimulation restores penile oxygenation and nerve response, often reversing up to 80% of lost erection strength naturally. This isn't wishful thinking, it's physiology. When you treat your penis with respect and care, it responds like any other muscle, stronger, steadier, and ready to remind you that vitality never truly leaves. It just waits to be reawakened. The biggest mistake men make isn't masturbating too often. It's masturbating without awareness. You tighten your pelvic muscles, rush to the end, and collapse afterward. That single habit retrains your nervous system to release early instead of staying firm. Over time, it weakens the very pathways that keep your erection strong and stable. The second mistake is relying on pornography as your only source of arousal. A 2022 study in the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that frequent porn use leads to dopamine desensitization. Your brain's pleasure receptors become numb. Real intimacy starts to feel flat, and erections become harder to maintain. The third mistake is silence. Ignoring pain, curvature, or loss of length doesn't make it go away. These are early signs of Peyronie's disease or fibrosis, conditions that can worsen if left untreated. A quick visit to a urologist can make all the difference. 60 isn't shameful, but it must be intentional. Treat it as self-care, not escape. Because your penis deserves the same respect and attention you give your heart, your mind, and your life. You've earned the right to pleasure without pain and confidence without fear. Masturbation after 60 isn't about guilt. It's about staying alive, connected, and strong. You've spent a lifetime taking care of everyone else. This time, it's about you. If this message helped you, like this video, share it with another man who needs hope, and subscribe. You're not broken. You're rebuilding your strength, one heartbeat at a time.